song that's going to get you through this
Gotta watch that.
10K, you know, last one dancing? What's the song that's going to get you on the dance floor and keep you there? Joe's here on 0800 The Edge. Hey, Joe.
Hello, how are you?
Very good. Now, what is the song that really gets you on the dance floor, Joe?
Ignition.
Banger. Obviously, a little bit of a controversial one. I don't think R. Kelly's that loved, but it is a banger.
No, that's not a good song.
It is a good. Okay, well.
I look at you and it's easy to see you are that someone I've been trying to meet. I got your number, won't you pick up the phone? Don't leave me hanging on the dial tone. Think back to the night that we met, jumping in the pool, talk to you, dripping wet. Nervous when I speak, so I trip on my tongue. Never thinking you would be my number one.
If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Memory lane isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby, yeah.
Hello. I will place it inside. Okay, thank you.